Jai Shri Gurudev. So, in last class we already discussed the differentiation problems. Exercise 5. Some other problems. See, question number 5. So, find the derivative of this function. So, sin of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus t. Sin of ax plus b divided by cos of cx plus t. So, d by dx of. So, d by dx of sin of ax plus b divided by cos of x plus t. So it is in the form of f of x divided by g of x is there no quotient rule divided by what is that. So therefore have to follow the rules and regulations. So what is the formula? D by dx of u by v ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು d by dx of u by v d by dx of u by v is equals to v starting with v. Okay, d by dx of u by v is equals to v. So u dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು d by dx of u ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. So u v dash divided by v square. So this is a shortcut ತರ. So ಎಲ್ಲ lengthy ಆಗಿ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. u dash is nothing but what? Differentiation of u ಅಂತ. v dash is nothing but differentiation of v. Okay, so this is u, this is v ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Starting with what? Denominator. So denominator start ಮಾಡೋಣ. cos cx plus t into d by dx of numerator, d by dx of sin of ax plus b. Okay, minus ulta part. So therefore sin ax plus b, sin ax plus b into d by dx of cos cx plus b, whole divided by denominator. So cos square cx plus b, okay na. So this is the functionality. Now simplify this one. Okay, simplify. So cos cx plus d, okay, into d by dx of sin ax plus b. Sin, how to do the sin ax plus b? Sin d by dx of sin is what? Cos no. So cos ax plus b and ax plus b ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. d by dx of ax plus b ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ತರ ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ d by dx of ax plus b is what? d by dx of ax a, d by dx of b 0. So a, so d by dx of ax plus b is equals to what? A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ a here minus. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus. ಓಕೆ ನಾ minus. ಸೊ sin ax plus b, into cos cx plus t. Cos cx plus t is what? Cos means minus sign of cos x equals to minus sin. So minus sin cx plus t, okay, into d by dx of cx plus t. What is d by dx of cx plus t? C. So c. So whole divided by cos square cx plus d. Okay, this is the simplification method. Okay, next see. So in a idalva a first ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. a into cos cx plus d into cos ax plus b minus minus will become plus c is there now, right? To c first, c sin ax plus b into sin cx plus d whole divided by cos square cx plus d. This is the answer. See, this is somewhat difficult, but if you understood means very easy problem. Okay na? So this is the fifth problem. Okay, next we will move to the next sixth question. So next question number 6. Cos x cubed, this is one function, cos x cubed into sin square x to the power of 5. sin square x to the power of 5. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 2 things you have to find out. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ cos x cube, cos cube ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು cos x cube. ಸೊ cos x cube ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ cos x cube ಟೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು cos ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ cos? ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ cos x is what? minus sin x. So therefore minus sin x cube. Okay, minus sin x cube into d by dx of x cube, d by dx of x. Okay, next. So minus sin x cubed into d by dx of x cubed is what? 3x square. So this is our first one. So keep it like this. First one is over. Next. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾತರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. So minus 3 minus is there 3x square minus 3x square into sin x cube. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, next second one how to do the second one means I will do here. Second one, so sin square x to the power of 5 d by dx of okay, sin square x to the power of 5. ಸೊ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಂಬಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ. ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸು, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ಡು, sin square x, sin cube ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎನ್ ಓಕೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ನೋಡಿ, d by dx of f of x whole power n equals to n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into d by dx of f of x. Okay na? So apply this formula here. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ f of x ಏನು ಸರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 2 ನ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ f of x. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ f of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. f of x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. f of x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ n ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 2 into ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ sin x to the power of 5 4 power 2 minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಲಿಮಿಟ್. ಆಗ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ d by dx of f of x. d by dx of f of x means this one. So sin x to the power of 5. ಓಕೆನಾ? sin x to the power of 5 ಈ ತರ sin x to the power of 5 ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 sin x to the power of 5 into d by dx of first ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? d by dx of sin x ತರ ಇದೆ. sin x, what is the d by dx of sin x? cos x. So cos x to the power of 5 d by dx of x to the power of 5. ಮತ್ತೆ again you have to chain rule now, last already told. So therefore d by dx of x to the power of 5. Next equals to 2 into sin x to the power of 5 into cos x to the power of 5. So cos x to the power of 5 into d by dx of x to the power of 5. So 5x to the power of 4. Okay. So simplify ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ. 5 2s are 10. So 10 sin ನೋಡಿ. sin x to the power of 5 cos x to the power of 5. Formula is there. One formula is there. Okay, we can one formula ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೂಡ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 2 sin a cos a 2 sin x cos x is equals to sin 2a and formula is there. So you can write that also. Okay, so difficulty is there. Now so I am leaving the same one. So sin x to the power of 5 into cos x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 4. I am writing here. So therefore 10 x to the power of 4. So this is still lengthy. So that's why separately I am calculating. This is. And now we will move to this question. See, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy dx of so calculation dy dx of this is u, this is v, f of x into g of x, uv formula, dy dx of uv formula or f of x into g of x multiplication. Okay, I already told the formula first function ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು, second function differentiation plus ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. first function cos, okay, see, so d by dx of this is f of x, this is g of x. Now f of x, g of x. So cos x cube same into d by dx of sin square x to the power of 5, sin square x to the power of 5 plus ulta sin square x to the power of 5 same ಬರ್ತಿದೆ d by dx of cos x. Okay na, I am cos x cubed into d by dx of sin x to the power of 5. So calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ last ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್. So therefore 10 into x to the power of 4 sin x to the power of 5 into cos x to the power of 5. Okay, over plus next sin square x to the power of 5, sin square x to the power of 5 into sin square x to the power of 5 into d by dx of cos x cube, d by dx of cos x cube, d by dx of cos x cube already divided ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಈ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 3x square sin okay x cube, sin x cube. So like that you have to simplify. Okay, see, so simplify ಮಾಡಿ is equals to ನೋಡಿ. So here 10 x to the power of 4 is now first variable 10 x to the power of 4 into cos x cube right answer sin x to the power of 5 okay into cos x to the power of 5 into cos x cube plus ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು 3x square into sin x cube okay sin x cube into sin square x to the power of 5, sin square x to the power of 5. So this is the procedure. So like that you have to simplify. So this is the answer for this one. Somewhat difficult problem but lengthy problem. With a separate calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ problem easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If not understood means number of times see this video. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಕ್ಕ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay na? So my dear students, next we move to the next question. Next question number 7. See, 2 into root of cot x square. So d by dx of 2 into root of cot x square. Okay, is equals to so 2 constant make it out. Okay, root x ತರ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು root ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ root of ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, square root of ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That's why root x formula ಮಾಡಿ. What is the d by dx of root x? 1/2 root x na. So inside of the root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ inside of the root is considered as x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ cot of x square ಎಲ್ಲ x ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. So 1/2 root x 1/2 root x 2 root x x ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. So therefore cot of x square over so root ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟಿಕ್ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಓಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಓವರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ dy dx of cot x square ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ What is the formula for the d by dx of root x? 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x. Inside of the root should be differentiate again. Inside ಒಳಗಡೆ root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is the procedure. Okay, cancel. 2 cancel. 1 divided by root of cot x square into, okay, cot x square, d by dx of cot x square, d by dx of cot x is what? It is in the form of cot ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಾ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. cot x means what? d by dx of cot x is equals to minus cosecant square x, d by dx of tan x secant square x, d by dx of cot x cosecant minus, why? Because c ಬರೆದಿರೋದು minus, so minus cosecant square x, x ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x square ಮತ್ತೆ d by dx of x square, but ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ 3 ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, d by dx of x square ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ therefore minus ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀನಾ, minus cosecant square x square into d by dx of x square is what? 2x first ಬರೀತಾರೆ, so minus 2x ಬರೀನಾ divided by root of cot x square, d by dx of cot x, root cot x square. So like that we have to simplify, my dear students, like that. So this is somewhat difficult. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, root 1 by 2 root x ತರ ಇದೆ. inside of the root again differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. cot x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, minus cosecant square x square again differentiation. Like that we have to simplify the problem. So this is the answer. Okay, next we move to the next question. See next question number 8. Okay, so d by dx of cos root x, okay. So it is in the form of cos x. There x term treat ಮಾಡಿ. cos x. What is the formula of cos x? Minus sin x. So minus sin root x. Next ಏನು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? root x ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. again differentiate root x. So d by dx of root x. Okay. So is equal to simplify. So minus sin root x into d by dx of root x. Familiar formula is there, no? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So this is the answer. So simplify it. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so minus sin root x divided by 2 root x. So this is the answer. Okay na? Like that we have to simplify the problems. Okay, so my dear students, this is the procedure. Okay, so first you have to know, the formulas well. Formulas are ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. d by dx of sin x cos x, d by dx of cos x minus sin x, d by dx of tan x secant square x, d by dx of cot x minus cosecant square x, d by dx of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x, d by dx of secant x tan x, d by dx of x square 2x, d by dx of x cubed 3x square, d by dx of x to the power of 4x cubed, d by dx of x to the power of 10 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10x to the power of 9. Like that we have to learn. d by dx of root x, very important. d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of e power x. Okay, so many formulas are there. It will comes one by one. Very important. d by dx of ax a, d by dx of 2x 2, d by dx of 3x 3, d by dx of 8x 8, like that. Understood or not? d by dx of ax plus b a ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ax plus b is only constant is 0, constant with function multiplication with graph, so constant outside agutto, so function I have to do the differentiation. Okay, so my dear students, this is the procedure and some other problems are there. We'll see next video. My dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts means please comment in this below video. Okay, otherwise through WhatsApp you can communicate. Okay, thank you my dear students.